Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Rubik's Cube algorithm step by step. We'll start with the foundational first step, building the white cross. This involves placing 4 white edge pieces around the white center, ensuring each edge piece matches its adjacent center color. It's a crucial initial step that helps you understand basic cube mechanics and how pieces move relative to each other. Focus on intuitive movements rather than complex algorithms at this stage. Next, we move to solving the first 2 layers, or F2L. This method efficiently pairs a corner piece with its corresponding edge piece and inserts them into their correct slot in one fluid motion. While there are 41 specific cases, many can be solved intuitively with practice. Mastering F2L significantly speeds up your solve time by combining 2 steps into one, making your solves much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's tackle orienting the last layer, or all. The goal here is to get all the yellow stickers on the top face, regardless of their horizontal position. There are 57 different OLL algorithms, each corresponding to a unique pattern of yellow stickers. Learning to quickly identify these patterns and execute the correct algorithm is key. Consistent practice will help you memorize these sequences and improve your recognition speed. Finally, we arrive at permuting the last layer, or PLL. This is where you arrange the top layer pieces into their correct positions, completing the cube. There are 21 specific PLL algorithms to learn, each designed to swap or cycle pieces in a particular way. Mastering these algorithms, along with consistent practice, will significantly reduce your solve times. Remember, repetition is your best friend for building muscle memory and speed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.